Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises a healthier, more vibrant cooking experience, the GreenLife Soft Grip 16-piece cookware set in a delightful turquoise hue. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen essentials with a set that's as functional as it is aesthetically pleasing, stick around. This isn't just any cookware set. Right out of the box, you're greeted with a comprehensive collection designed to handle pretty much any meal you can dream up. We're talking about a 4-inch mini frying pan, perfect for single eggs or reheating small portions. Then there are the 7-inch and 9.5-inch frying pans, your go-to for everything from searing to sautéing. For sauces and smaller batches, you get 1-quart and 2-quart saucepans with lids, and for heartier stews or pasta dishes, a generous 5-quart stock pot, also with a lid. A 2.5-quart sauté pan with a lid is ideal for one-pan meals, and the set even includes a 7-inch stainless steel steamer for healthy cooking options, plus 4 essential kitchen utensils. It's a complete package, truly. What really sets GreenLife apart is their commitment to healthy cooking. The hallmark of this set is its toxin-free ceramic non-stick coating. This means no PFAS, no PFOA, no lead, and no cadmium. This is crucial for peace of mind, knowing that your food isn't coming into contact with harmful chemicals. The thermal non-stick coating, derived from sand, is not only healthy but also manufactured with significantly less CO2 emissions compared to traditional coatings. That's a win for your health and for the planet. Comfort in the kitchen is paramount, and GreenLife has addressed this with their soft grip Bakelite handles. These are designed to stay cool on the stovetop, preventing those accidental burns and allowing you to move your pans with confidence. The wobble-free bases are another thoughtful design element. They provide a sturdy foundation, ensuring your pots and pans sit securely on your stovetop, and more importantly, they contribute to even heat distribution. This means your food cooks more uniformly, avoiding hot spots and burnt edges. Cleanup is often the least favorite part of cooking, but this set aims to make it as painless as possible. The rivetless interiors are a game-changer. Instead of food getting stuck in those pesky rivets, you get smooth, easy-to-wipe surfaces. While the cookware is technically dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended to preserve the integrity and longevity of the non-stick finish. For those who prefer a gentler approach, the smooth interior makes hand washing a breeze. Monitoring your cooking is made easy with the durable tempered glass lids. You can peek at your simmering sauces or boiling pasta without lifting the lid and releasing all that precious heat and steam. This helps maintain consistent cooking temperatures and saves energy. The set is designed for versatility on the stovetop, working with all standard stovetops except for induction. It's also oven safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, adding another layer of flexibility for finishing dishes or keeping them warm. And in a move that speaks to their sustainability efforts, the cookware vessels, excluding the handles, are made from at least 65% recycled materials. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the 16-piece comprehensive set offers incredible value and covers a wide range of cooking needs. The toxin-free ceramic non-stick coating is a major draw for health-conscious consumers. The stay-cool handles and wobble-free bases enhance safety and cooking performance. The easy-to-clean, rivetless interiors are a significant convenience. The inclusion of a steamer and utensils further adds to the value proposition. And the vibrant turquoise color adds a cheerful touch to any kitchen. However, there are a few points to consider. The cookware is not compatible with induction stovetops, which might be a deal-breaker for some. While dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended for optimal longevity of the non-stick surface, which adds a step to the cleanup process. Also, the oven-safe temperature is limited to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which might not be sufficient for recipes requiring higher oven temperatures. Finally, like most non-stick cookware, the long-term durability of the coating can vary depending on usage and care. In conclusion, the GreenLife Soft Grip 16-piece cookware set is a fantastic option for anyone seeking a healthy, user-friendly, and visually appealing addition to their kitchen. It excels in providing a non-toxic cooking surface, comfortable handling, and convenient cleanup. While it has a couple of limitations, particularly its induction incompatibility and oven temperature limit, its strengths in terms of comprehensive set inclusion, health focus, and overall design make it a strong contender for everyday cooking. Link in the description.